Okay, I've never grown stevia or sweet leaf before. So last year I decided to grow some just to check it out, And, it grew, but I got so busy I never did anything with it. And winter came and it died back to the ground. So I live in the Ozarks and it was well below zero for days on end over the winter. And I thought for sure my stevia would be dead because it doesn't, as far as I know, it doesn't live through that kind of temperature. But let me show you what I found today. So I'm out here harvesting some of my asparagus. It's just now coming up. And over here, I noticed this. This is that stevia plant that I planted last year. And it's pretty amazing because it was well below 10 degrees for several days, I know. So if you don't think you can grow it in super cold weather, you sure can.